Now, while these were some of the visual highlights of what the situation looks like in Delhi at this given point, let's take you through some more updates at this point. Delhi NCR is fighting flood fury amid heavy showers. Now, while the Yamuna is rising fast, roads remain waterlogged and a wall at the Nigambodh Ghat has collapsed. And IMD has warned of heavy rainfall with a red alert in place. Swaminarayan Temple, foot-over bridge, bungalows and civil lines are all submerged. Yamuna is flowing above 207 meters at the Okhla Barrage. One road leading to the Delhi Secretariat has already been shut. Authorities are in fact diverting excess water towards Haryana and Uttar Pradesh at this point. Meanwhile, the flood threat is being fueled by the massive water releases. Over 1.7 lakh cusecs from Hathri Kund, 1.9 lakh from Wazirabad and a staggering 2.26 lakh from Okhla. In the heart of the very national capital city, a wall at the Nigambodh Ghat has collapsed late evening, allowing flood water to gush in this very area. The Ghat has now been closed. Northwest Delhi too is reeling overflowing drains in Jahangirpuri and have inundated the houses there. More than 40 families have been shifted to a school shelter at this given point. In fact, we have some ground reports for you, bringing to you the pulse on the ground.
ये NH44 है, ये सीधा रास्ता चंडीगढ़ की तरफ सिंगू बॉर्डर की तरफ जाता है और आप देखिए एकदम हम लोग फ्लाईओवर के बीचों बीच है, समझ लीजिए यहाँ से ही ठीक ये मोड़ है, देखिए ये जो मेन हिस्सा है यहाँ पर ये कनेक्ट कर रहा था और यहीं से ही जैसे हल्का सा झुकना शुरू हुआ इतना बड़ा ये गड्ढा हुआ है। आप ये देखिए पूरी की पूरी जो सड़क है वो आगे की तरफ वाली ये धंस गई और ये ऑटो जो आप खड़े हुए देख रहे हैं, ये ऑटो जो खड़ा था ये यहाँ पर जैसे ही आता है आगे की तरफ वो वहां पर अंदर की तरफ वो इसका जो अगला हिस्सा है, क्योंकि वो देखिए पूरी तरीके से ऑटो डैमेज हो चुका है, तो अगला हिस्सा था वो एकदम से अंदर घिस गया। बस गनीमत ये रही कि ये जो गड्ढा है वो इतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ कि ये एकदम से ऑटो अंदर चला जाता है, इसलिए ये ऑटो अटक गया और ड्राइवर घायल हो गया। फौरन कॉल हुई पुलिस को, पुलिस की टीम मौके पे पहुंची और यहां से रेस्क्यू किया गया, उसे हटाया गया। अब आप अगर देखेंगे तो पूरा अगर ये नीचे तक का ये पूरा जो है जितना दिख सकता है वो गड्ढा नजर आ रहा है। आप अगर अंदर की तरफ देखेंगे थोड़ा सा तो आपको पूरा ये कम से कम 4 से 5 फीट और एकदम हम हाइट पर है। अगर हम देखें कि ये फ्लाईओवर पे हम कितनी हाइट पर है तो हम आपको बताएं कि तकरीबन अगर रोड से हम देखें तो करीब 30 से 40 फीट के आसपास ये हाइट है। देखिए आप अगर हम जहां पर हम मौजूद हैं, अब चूंकि जैसे ही पुलिस को कॉल मिली, सुबह सुबह का वक्त था, पुलिस को कॉल मिलते ही इस हाईवे को पूरी तरीके से बंद कर दिया गया है।
That Swaminarayan temple for you on the Bela Road, the staircase inside the temple that's submerged as well, and people who live there, who work there, have to come out in either waist deep or knee deep water. As the camera will pan on the left as well, you will see the houses, the bungalows out here. Water has breached their staircase as well, and water has entered inside their homes. Now the question is, why is water standing out here? Was there heavy rainfall in Delhi last night? The answer to this is the situation or the threat that the agencies were preparing themselves for across this area as you move from civil lines towards Boat Club, Vasudev Ghat and further towards Nigambodh Ghat. Right now, the Bela Road is inundated. The question is, if the water level further increases, will city's civic infrastructure be able to take this challenge or will it collapse yet again? With video journalist Ravikant, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from New Delhi.
Sneha Murdani joins us from Geeta Colony Cremation Ground at this given point to take us through what the situation looks like there. Sneha, very good morning to you. You have been consistently going to different parts of the national capital and bringing us updates of how the situation has been extremely critical in the national capital, and with each hour passing, it's becoming more and more of a threat. You're currently at the Geeta Colony Cremation Ground. Tell us what the situation looks like there.
That's right. You know, Shreya, the fact is that the attempt is to give dignity to the people who've died, loved ones who are bringing in the bodies of, families are bringing in the bodies of their loved ones right here. And, I really don't have words to describe the situation because, They're doing what they can at this point in time because the cremation ground, and happens to be a big one in the East Delhi region after the Nigam Bodh Ghat was shut down. The cremation ground is filled with water. I'm just going to show you pictures of how the cremation ground has got so much water in it at this point in time that it's difficult to bring in the bodies here for the funeral rites, for the last rites to be carried out.